Hi everyone, today I made a beautiful diorama with a realistic bonsai tree. First, I cut the thermocol carefully into the shape of a tree trunks and roots. Then I joined all the parts together with wire. Make the structure strong and stable. After that, I applied wall putty all over the tree and created bark-like texture to give it a natural tree look. Once it dried, I used 2-3 different shades of brown and black color to make it look more realistic and detailed. For the branch, I used copper wire and shaped them properly. Then I attached them to the trunk. After that, I walked on the ground area and gave the hole under the tree an almost like look to create natural forest feel. For the leaf, I use real grass and fix it carefully on the branch to the make bonsai tree fresh and realistic. And this is the final look of my handmade bonsai tree diorama.
Invincible.
And here is the final look of my handmade realistic bonsai tree diorama. The natural bark, texture, detailed branch, fresh green leaves and mossy ground make it look like teeny real tree from nature. Every small detail I was made my hand, and I am really happy with how realistic and beautiful it turned out.